Hello, it's me, Fairy Liquid, from the magical land of JingJangJooJong. I just thought I'd pop a quick upload on today, just to show you, if you are starting out ballooning, what pumps I use. Now, I do probably about 40 balloons per party, so maybe there's about 30 children, so they all get like a one balloon animal or something each, and then something special for the birthday child, maybe some prizes. So, you know, 50 balloons, something like that. The ones I've been using are Qualitex balloons, and this is a Qualitex 260, and I quite like them because they are really kind of easy to blow up, and they've been what I've been using since they began like 10 years ago. But I have just swapped to Sempertex, and I like Sempertex ones too. They're a different feel, they seem more rigid, a little bit more hard work to blow up, but better quality. So I don't know, you just got to find which one you prefer. If I'm in a rush, I'd probably go with Qualitex. They just seem to be faster to blow up. But if I really want sort of precision engineering, I think I'd probably go to Sempertex for more complicated models. They're just a little bit more reliable. So anyway, this is the pump that I use, and I'll just show you. You can see these all over the internet. Maybe you've already got one. And to start out ballooning, this is what you need to get, because if you're starting off with zero money, obviously you don't want to have a big outlay. So buy one of these. We're just going to pump it up. So if I do 3 pumps, that was 3 pumps, and that has left me with about a hand span there on the end. Okay, now to demonstrate with, if I get another balloon here, and I have got my foot pump here now. I bought this a few years ago. This was more of an investment because this was 3 figures. This now retails for about £165. And I got this online from, I think they're handmade. That's probably why they're so expensive, but it has done the job. So that's what it looks like on the bottom, and it's got a carry handle, so I can just sling it on my back when I taking all my gear in. And then you've got the nozzle on the top there. So I'll just demonstrate something fairly obvious how a floor pump works, but just for the video. So you just pop that on there. Let me just stand up. So my limited studio space, it's not very good, is it? But anyway, there we are. Okay, so you just lift it up and one press down like that, and it's almost inflated it to the end there. So it just gives you an idea of just how much easier. If you are banging out a load of balloons, then that's probably what you really want to get one of those. They're more expensive, obviously, but they're definitely worth it. However, if you are wanting to do balloon decorating, then you should probably consider buying one of those electric ones. And I've seen some blue ones with like 2 places where you can do them both 2 up simultaneously. Round balloons as well, then you definitely need an electronic one. But for me, it's so much more easy for me and more practical to have one that I have to use my own energy for and not electricity. So anyway, I hope that's been helpful for you. Maybe you've got some tips below that you would like to share about pumps that you've used or techniques that you've used. If you are one of those pros who can actually blow up with your mouth, I salute you. I don't actually have the lung capacity for it. I can't do it. Hats off to you guys. Wigs off. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye.